because lots of different flavors, so that people will take them because they have vitamins in them.
So why I like them is because like they're healthy for you, and like you're gonna spray it in, and that's why I like them.
What's everybody's favorite supplement they take? Not even just the sprays, like all the supplements.
What's the one we take at night?
Recover?
What's that one?
Proteolytic enzyme.
Yeah.
What's that one that's like brown? Mine is like chewable white ones. Mine's the orange.
The one, that's the real.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the probiotics.
Same.
We take a lot of supplements at our house.
That was my same.
My favorite supplement is the zinc because it's small and easy to swallow.
Why do you take this when you eat?
Because it helps you
Digest.
produce it better.
It helps you digest your food better. Let's see it. Woohoo! Good job. Why do you think we take supplements?
Or we're healthy.
To be healthy, that's right. Digestive blend, when we take it on an empty stomach. When we take it on a full stomach, it digests our food. When we take it on an empty stomach, it's like Pac-Man, right? Goes through our bloodstream and eats up things in our bloodstream that don't belong there. Sometimes those things in our bloodstream that don't belong are causing us to have headaches or sore throats. So that's our number one supplement we take, huh?
Yeah.
How many bottles of digestive blend do you think we go through a month?
Probably 3 to 10.
Probably around 5 or 6, between 6 of us.
I used to get really bad stomach aches, and Mom used to tell me take relief, and after that I would feel a lot better.
Have any of you ever had any medicine?
No.
And why do you think it is that you've never had any medicine?
Because supplements that we take are natural.
So supplements keep you healthy. Why else do you think you've never had any medicine? How about because we eat really healthy? That Mommy and Daddy make sure you guys eat really healthy. What else do we eat or drink to keep ourselves healthy? Broccoli.
We eat a lot of vegetables.
A lot of vegetables. Green veggies.
The number one thing we eat in a day would be vegetables, smoothies, fruit, sometimes frozen fruit.
And our dad makes a little powder called collagen.
And what don't we eat?
Candy, cake,
Gluten.
We don't eat gluten, we don't eat candy. If we're gonna make something at home, what kind of sweetener would we put in it? Your mom makes something, like if I make muffins, what kind of sweetener do I put? I put fruit, so bananas sweetener.
chocolate chips. And pancakes, sometimes we put blueberries in it.
Put blueberries, so we put fruit in it to sweeten it. We put how about honey? We put honey
Yeah,
to
put
sweeten
honey.
it.
Maple syrup, maple
And
syrup.
when we make cake, it's not gluten.
Right, we don't make things with gluten, right? So birthday cakes, we make
Unless
gluten-free
it's,
and
unless it's
no processed
occasional.
sugars. What else do we do to stay healthy? We eat good, we take supplements.
We take sprays.
We're active
You're active, right?
a lot.
Yep, very active.
Like me.
We have 2 dogs to make sure that happens.
Yep. So what do you do to stay active?
I do gymnastics.
And
Gymnastics
Yeah.
and dance.
And ballet.
And run around with the dogs at home and like grab a toy and run around with them. And then I also do parkour, dance once a week.
Why I'm active is because I do gymnastics, soccer, and I play around with dogs at home.
Do you work out with Daddy too?
Yeah.
You work out with Daddy.
And I play with Quinn Riley Page.
Do you guys do things differently than your friends at school? Like the lunches you eat, are they different from your friends at school?
Yeah.
Fruits and veggies.
Does that bother you that your lunches are different?
No.
If what's Daddy saying, in order to be healthy, you have to be what?
Weird.
Weird.
We have a saying in our practice in our life, you have to be weird. It's called Let's Get Weird. That's what my shirt says here. You have to be weird anymore to basically beat those odds, to beat those health statistics that we'll all fall into if we're not careful.
So sometimes we have to do things that other people aren't doing. That's okay because we want to be healthy. So on Halloween, do you guys get to just eat a ton of Halloween candy?
No, we go get ice cream.
So we trade in our Halloween
And
candy.
get one piece maybe.
We get one piece of Halloween candy and then the rest of it gets is thrown away, and then we get to go have 1 scoop of ice cream, and then we're done. And just because we eat healthy doesn't mean that we go without. We still have all the fun things. We do pancakes and muffins and
Waffles.
almond flour and oat flour instead of regular flour, and no processed sugars. What's the craziest thing mom's ever asked you to do for your health?
Do banana
That
7-day banana diet, coconut water and water. And then we get a toy.
This one had some immune system issues going on, and so all 5 of us ate nothing but bananas for 7 days straight.
And cream juice and lemon.
lemon.
We started the morning with celery juice, and then had lemon water, and then ate bananas for the rest of the day. But everybody felt good when I was done. Marky's little immune system thing cleared up.